What is hope?
For some, it is a dangerous illusion. For others, it is the only thing that keeps them alive. Is hope a prison that traps you into false dreams, or is it the only thing that can set you free? The Shawshank Redemption is one of the greatest films ever made that dives right into this conflict. Today, we are going to explore how this film uses hope not just as a theme but as a lifeline and why it continues to resonate with millions of people around the world. On the surface, it's about a banker named Andrew Dufresne, wrongly convicted for murdering his own wife. He is thrown into Shawshank Prison, a place where time stands still and where lives are slowly erased. At Shawshank Prison, we meet two philosophies of survival. On one side, we have Red, played brilliantly by Morgan Freeman, who believes hope is a dangerous thing. According to him, in prison, dreaming of freedom only makes the reality harder.
Let me tell you something, my friend. Hope is a dangerous thing. Hope can drive a man insane.
On the other side, we have Andy Dufresne, played by Tim Robbins. Unlike Red, Andy refuses to let the walls of Shawshank kill his spirit. For him, hope is not dangerous, rather it is necessary. It is the only thing that keeps him alive in the face of injustice, loneliness, and years of silence of him. This clash of worldviews between despair and hope is at the heart of the film. But how does the movie show hope? It is not just through words. Frank Darabont fills the film with powerful symbols. For example, the music scene when Andy locks himself in the warden office and plays Mozart for the entire prison. For a brief moment, every inmate feels free, and that's the magic of hope, that it can't be contained by any walls or rules. Another example would be the rock hammer. The rock hammer is a small, seemingly useless tool, but in Andy's hands, it becomes a weapon of patience and persistence. It shows that hope doesn't need to be loud. Sometimes it's quite steady and hidden. Andy builds a space of learning and growth inside Shawshank. The knowledge becomes a symbol of possibility, a window to a world beyond prison bar. Through these symbols, hope transforms from an idea into something tangible, something that sustains Andy and inspires others. But the Shawshank Redemption doesn't just glorify hope, it also shows us what happens when the hope is lost. For example, Brooks, the elderly prisoner released after decades. To him, freedom is not a salvation, rather it's a death sentence. He discovered that he doesn't know how to live outside. The world has moved on, things have changed, but he hasn't. So finally, due to hopelessness, he takes his own life. That single storyline tells us something chilling, that hopelessness doesn't always kill you instantly, rather it kills you slowly, until you no longer see meaning in living. This is why Andy's belief in hope feels so radical. It is not naive, it is defiance. In a system built to crush the human spirit, Andy refuses to surrender. And then comes the film's most iconic moment, Andy's escape. 19 years of patience, 19 years of hidden work, and a stormy night later, he finally crawls to a tunnel of filth and emerges into the rain. This moment is not just about freedom, rather it's about vindication. Hope has carried Andy through the impossible. For Red, the transformation is equally powerful. By the end of the film, the man who once dismissed hope finds himself embracing it. His parole hearing shows this change. He speaks honestly and without fear, because now he believes in something beyond Shawshank. The Shawshank Redemption reminds us that hope is more than optimism. It is survival. In the darkest, most suffocating circumstances, hope becomes the light that guides us forward. The film asks us a simple but profound question. When life feels like Shawshank, do we give into the despair, or do we, as Andy say, get busy living or get busy dying? And maybe that's why, decades later, this film still holds the #1 spot in so many hearts. Because it tells us something timeless, that hope is not weakness, rather hope is strength.
Remember, Red, hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things, and no good thing ever dies.